Hi, friends. Welcome to Color Fun Time. Today we're going to learn colors. Are you ready? Let's go. Wow, look at this bright color. This is red. Look at this cool color. This is blue. This color is so bright and cheerful. This is yellow. This color is warm and bright. This is orange. Look at this fresh and lively color. This is green. This color is so magical. This is purple. What a fun color. This is pink. Look at this warm color. This is brown. Wow, this is a bold and deep color. This is black. This color is bright and light. This is white. Great job. Now let's say the colors one more time together. Red, blue, yellow, orange, green, purple, pink, brown, black, white. Wow, you did so well. Now you know so many colors. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time.